Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you today. I participated in Zoom Carousel Box 21 for 21, and I wanted to show you what I got in my Zoom Carousel. I got this mug, which is fantastic. It says, "I am sweet, lovable, and kind, shy, and innocent." Oh, for heaven's sake, stop laughing. And it's printed on both sides. It's really cute and adorable. It's a great mug. And then I got this. I got another tatted cross, which I love this. It was made by Crafting Adventures with Amy. I can get it out and show you. There it is. I love this. This one's going in my family Bible. I really love that. And then I got 2 skeins of Hygge Charm, which is, where it goes. It's in the color Meteor. And it is 97% acrylic, 3% other fibers. It is 7 ounces or 198 grams. 432 yards or 395 meters, and I love that pink, and it's glittery. Oh, why isn't the glitter showing up? It's sparkly. Where's the sparkles? The sparkles are not showing up on camera, not at all. But I got 2 skeins of this, which I'm in love with. It is really soft to me. I want to make a hat and a scarf and maybe some gloves or mitts anyway. So I really like that. But here's the video. You know who you are. I love you guys. Stay safe. Be kind to one another. And as always, happy yarning. Bye now.